Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a question I've been seeing pop up a lot lately: is Relay bank payments legit? Now, online payments can be tricky, and with so many options out there, it's understandable to be skeptical. So, let's cut through the noise and find out if Relay bank payments is a safe and reliable way to send and receive money. Build context by explaining the importance of online payment security. In today's digital age, online transactions are a part of everyday life. From shopping to paying bills, we rely heavily on online platforms for quick and convenient financial exchanges. But with this convenience comes a crucial concern: security. Online scams are rampant, and it's essential to be vigilant when dealing with any online payment service. That's why today, we're going to take a deep dive into Relay bank payments and explore its legitimacy, safety features, and overall user experience. Transition to the core of the video: investigating Relay bank payments. So, what exactly is Relay bank payments? Well, it's an online platform that facilitates secure and efficient money transfers. It aims to bridge the gap between traditional banking systems and digital transactions, offering users a convenient way to send and receive money both domestically and internationally. But is it really as trustworthy as it claims to be? I know what you might be thinking: is this another one of those shady online platforms, or are my funds really safe with them? These are valid concerns, and we'll address them head-on. We'll delve into the company's background, explore its security measures, and analyze user reviews to get a comprehensive understanding of its legitimacy. Investigate the company's background and reputation. First things first, let's look into the company behind Relay bank payments. Who are they? How long have they been in business? And what is their track record? We'll research their history, licenses, and any regulatory oversight to ensure they are operating within legal and ethical boundaries. A reputable company will have a transparent history and will be readily available to answer any questions you may have. Analyze security features and data protection measures. Next, we'll scrutinize their security features. How does Relay bank payments protect your sensitive financial information? Do they employ strong encryption protocols like SSL/TLS? What measures do they have in place to prevent fraud and unauthorized access? We'll investigate their data protection policies to understand how they handle your personal and financial data. A legitimate platform will prioritize user security and have robust measures in place to safeguard your information. Examine user reviews and testimonials. User experience is another crucial factor. What do actual users have to say about Relay bank payments? We'll delve into online reviews and testimonials to get a first-hand perspective. Are users satisfied with the platform's ease of use, transaction speeds, customer support, and overall experience? While individual experiences may vary, analyzing user feedback can provide valuable insights into the platform's strengths and weaknesses. Compare Relay bank payments with other popular payment options. To put Relay bank payments in perspective, we'll compare it with other popular online payment options like PayPal, Venmo, and Wise. We'll analyze factors such as transaction fees, supported currencies, speed of transfers, and customer support to see how Relay bank payments stacks up against the competition. This comparison will help you make an informed decision about which payment service best suits your needs. Offer practical tips for safe online transactions. Regardless of which online payment service you choose, it's crucial to practice safe online transaction habits. We'll share some valuable tips to help you protect yourself from online scams and ensure your financial security. These tips will include best practices for choosing a secure platform, verifying the legitimacy of websites, and recognizing potential red flags. Summarize key findings and provide a clear conclusion. So, is Relay bank payments legit? Based on our investigation, we'll provide a clear and concise answer. We'll summarize our key findings, weigh the pros and cons, and offer our overall assessment of the platform's legitimacy and reliability. We'll also provide recommendations for users based on their individual needs and risk tolerance. Encourage viewer engagement and interaction. We'd love to hear from you. Have you used Relay Bank Payments before? What was your experience like? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. Your feedback can be valuable for other users who are considering using this platform. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe and stay informed.